Hello guys and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode of Commodity Watch. In today's video, as always, we're going to be analysing the WTI crude oil price chart, and then shortly afterwards we're going to be heading over to the gold markets to see what's going on there. Let's start today's video on an extremely positive note. This morning we have just achieved the take profit of our trade. This is to all the investors that follow me on our streaming service and gained access to our private signal group chat over on Telegram. I've left the link in the description of today's video if you do want to become a member. But we opened a crude oil buy position a few months back, about a month and a half, maybe 2 months ago, at the beginning of November or the mid-November, I think it was. So the end of November on the 29th, we bought crude oil at around $69.50 with a take profit all the way up at $85. And I'm very happy to announce that we actually closed that trade in profit today. It hit our take profit, as I just mentioned, and we gained 22.43%. That is astonishing. So I just want to start by saying a huge congratulations to everyone who managed to capitalize on that trade. It has been, an immense amount of profits made there. I've just been receiving messages the whole morning, so thank you to everyone who trusted me on that trade and got involved. And I made it very clear over the past couple of weeks here on YouTube, free of charge. I've been coming onto YouTube, using it as a platform to share my opinion of the crude oil markets. And I think since it was trading at around $77, I was saying that I personally believe it will go up towards 85, and that's exactly what's happened. So crude oil continues to show strength here. We had a terrorist attack last night. I think there was some Yemenis terrorists who attacked the oil center in Abu Dhabi, which of course has caused a spike in the crude oil prices this morning. I think crude oil's up now around 1.5% for the day, and I don't see this stopping anytime soon. I think that crude oil will continue to rise. I think we will see $90 a barrel very, very shortly, and personally I think we will be trading above $100 a barrel as we go into the end of Q2 2022. So very exciting times ahead for the crude oil bulls. That being said, I have just posted an in-depth video where I share my strategy with regards to crude oil. Just posted it this morning over on my streaming service. If you go and subscribe to the streaming service today, you can then watch that video where I explain my next entry and exit plans for crude oil markets. Am I buying crude oil up at these all-time highs? Of course I'm not. Look at the RSI. I've even circled it on the graph. We're currently overbought, trading at around 71.48. Anything above 70 is considered to be overbought. So it's very dangerous if you buy crude oil at these highs. That being said, could crude oil still continue to rally up towards $90 a barrel? Absolutely. We could continue to see this uptrend, continue towards the upside. But at these levels, I am not going to advise you to buy crude oil because it's very risky. At this moment in time, the risk-reward ratio is not attractive at all for me or my signal clients. But again, I've gone into depth with regards to my strategy for crude oil over on my streaming service. Let's move over to the gold market. Gold has started the week on a negative note. We're currently down to 1810. Of course, the future markets were open yesterday, so that's crude oil and gold. We also have a NASDAQ 100, the S&P 500 open as they are futures. And, we did see some downside momentum here in the gold market. So we've fallen from that 1830 area. 1830 is a very important area here for the gold markets. We've struggled to break above 1830 for the past couple of months, really. And, unless we can do that, I don't see I don't see the gold markets going any higher. So personally, I'm bearish. For those who've been watching my YouTube channel for some time, you will know that I do have a target all the way down at 1500 for the gold markets. Of course, the streaming service and my signal followers over on Telegram do hold a short position. If you would like to understand what our strategy is with regards to our entry and exit plan are, then you can go and sign up and watch those videos, no problem at all. But at this moment in time, I think 1793 is a key area for gold. If we can break below this uptrend that we've been trading in all the way since October the 4th, 2021, that should lead to a breakdown towards 1770. 1770 is the 0.23% fib level. If we can break below that, we go to 1720 and then eventually 1700. But at this moment in time, gold just requires a little bit of patience as we are kind of stuck between 1830 and 1790. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.